Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to practice exercise 14A from 8th question. We are going to find out the length of a rectangle. In the first question we are going to find out the length of a rectangle. If its perimeter is 32 centimeter and the width is 5 centimeter. Width is nothing but the breadth. So breadth equals 5 centimeter. Let us write the given things. Given is perimeter, that is P, 32 centimeter, and width, that is breadth, equal 5 centimeter. We have a specific formula to find out the length of a rectangle. Do you know that? And there is a short method to find out the formula to find length of a rectangle. Do you remember the perimeter of rectangle? Yes, perimeter equal 2 into L plus B units. Here we are going to find out the length formula. Listen, only the length you are going to keep in the right hand side and the remaining two terms we are going to take it to the left hand side. P multiplied by 2 when it comes to the another side, it becomes divide by 2, and plus B it becomes minus B. So, the formula to find out the length of a rectangle is P by 2. P is perimeter minus B. It is breadth. Now, we will substitute the given values in the formula. P by 2, that is 32 by 2 minus breadth is 5 centimeter. So, in common we will write centimeter. Now, divide this 32 by 2. By cancellation we can find out the answer. 2 ones are 2. 16 twos are 32. So, if you divide this you will get 16. And already we have minus 5 centimeter. What will you get if you subtract 16 and 5? Yes, 16 minus 5 is 11 centimeter. Now we got the answer. What is the length of a rectangle? Yes, it is 11 centimeter. At last, write down the answer. Length of a rectangle equals 11 centimeter. This is the answer. Come, let us do the second sum. In the second sum, we are going to find out the breadth of a rectangle. Here the perimeter and the length is given. Perimeter equal 80 meter. Listen, when you are writing the units, you should copy it correctly. Here the perimeter is 80 meter and the length is 24 meter. These are the given things. So, as I told you in the first sum, here also we can derive the formula to find out the breadth from the perimeter formula. P equals 2 into L plus B. So, here we are going to find out only the breadth. So, keep breadth alone in the right hand side, and here it is P by 2 minus L. Now we are going to write the formula to find out the breadth. Equals P by 2 minus L. So now substitute the values which is given. Perimeter is 80 by 2 minus the length is 24 meter. 80 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8 and 0. Now we have 40 and 24 we are going to subtract. 40 minus 24 is 16. It is 16 meter. Now we got the answer. What is the answer, children? Yes, it is 16 meter. Answer. Breadth of a rectangle equals 16 meter. 16 meter is the breadth of a rectangle. Have you understood? Yes, now we'll move to the 9th question. First we will read the question. The width of a rectangle is 15 centimeter. What is width? Width is nothing but a breadth. So breadth is given 15 centimeter. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? So we are going to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. If the length is 3 times the width, that is the length is given, that is 3 times the breadth. So what is the length, children? It is 3 times breadth equals 3 into 15, that is equal 45 centimeter. Now we have a breadth and length. Shall we substitute in the formula? Yes, perimeter equal. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? Yes, it is 2 into L plus B units. Here the unit is centimeter. 2 into L is 15. Breadth is 15 and length is 45. That is equal 2 into 15 plus 45 is 60. So 2 into 60 centimeter, which is equal 120 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of the given rectangle, children? Yes, it is 120 centimeter. Answer we have to write at last. Perimeter of a rectangle equal 120 centimeter. You must write the unit, children. Don't forget to write the unit. You should write the answer along with the unit. Now let us move to the 10th question. Read out the question first. The length and width of a rectangle are in the ratio 5:3. Find the dimensions of the rectangle if its perimeter is 112 centimeter. Listen, children, here the perimeter is given, that is 112 centimeter, and length and breadth are given in the ratio. Now what we are going to find is the dimension of the rectangles, that is length and breadth of a rectangle we are going to find out. First let us take the length and breadth as, let the length be 5 x and the breadth be 3x. Because here they have given only the ratios, we are going to find out. That's why we are using the term x. Usually for the unknown things we will use an alphabet. Here the alphabet is x. So length is 5x and the breadth is 3x. And perimeter is given in the question. What is the perimeter? Yes, it is 112 centimeter. Now we are going to use the perimeter formula to derive. The perimeter formula is two into L plus B units. So here what is L? It is 5x plus B is 3x. 2 into 5 plus 3, it is 8. Now multiply 2 into 8, it is 16x. And in the question, the perimeter is given, right? It is 112 centimeter. So 112 centimeter equals 16x. We are going to find out the value of x. So here the 16 becomes divide by 16. 112 divided by 16. Now use 16 table and divide 112. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 six are 96. 16 sevens are 112. So seventh term we are getting 112. So 7 and 16 ones are 16. So what is the value of x? It is 7 centimeter. Value of x is 7. And in the beginning of the question we have taken length equal 5 into x. That is 5 into 7 centimeter. 5 sevens are 35. 35 centimeter. And breadth we have taken as 3x. So now multiply 7 with 3. That is 21 centimeter. Now we got the dimensions of the rectangle. It is length equal 35 centimeter and breadth equal 21 centimeter.